Hey, what's up, traders? It's November 20th, Friday. Markets are kind of starting to slow down. And in this video, I want to talk about, this huge risk-on sentiment we have despite everything going on in the markets right now or in the world politically with the election still going on. The election isn't over, first of all. Despite what mainstream media is telling you, it is not anywhere close to being over in terms of court litigation. And I don't know the exact date, but the electoral college doesn't have to come to some sort of consensus until the first week of January or December. So we're getting there for sure, but we're nowhere close to crossing that finish line. So keep that in mind. Despite all the uncertainty, though, we're still seeing a lot of risk on sentiment in the markets and a lot of action in the cross pairs. Specifically, Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar has been really going crazy. So we're going to take a look at those. We're going to take a look at some US dollar pairs and make a bit of a game plan as we go into next week. Next week is Thanksgiving, so there will be lower volatility in the market, but with everything going on, I wouldn't be surprised. A lot of times on the holiday weeks, we do see some sort of big moves, like big unexpected moves, like the rally in Bitcoin 2 years ago, which of course we're already back there almost to 20,000. So there's a lot going on right now. So let me share my screen with you all, and if you'd like to learn from me, learn how to trade, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, advanced, we can help you get to wherever it is you're trying to go. And hopefully that is some sort of outside funding option, which I mentor students, help them to get there to that next level of outside funding, and which gives them a real possibility of financial freedom ultimately in their lives, So that being said, NZD CAD, man, I've been watching this pair for a long time, for like 2 weeks now, and it's just in an epic squeeze. There's no other way to put it. Price just keeps squeezing shorts higher, and right now from this high here, where you can see this arrow, to the low, we're at the 161.8% Fibonacci extension of that move. So really significant level. You can. Hey, what's up, traders? Hope you like this video. Doing a $100 giveaway for everybody that likes, comments, and is subscribed to our channel. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll be entered in the drawing. Enjoy the video. It looks like we're coming to, I would think, a close here, but on the other hand, there's still a lot of room to the upside for us to move higher. If this thing keeps squeezing and we keep seeing this risk off sentiment. So when this does break, though, I expect it to be a pretty large move based on the amount of divergence that we have going on right there. We are just pushing and pushing higher in a wedge-like pattern, and we have a lot of room to get filled down here below, specifically this area and this area, which would take us down to like 8,700. So potential downside targets for sure, but in order for that to happen, we got to see some downside. So that's what I'm looking at. NZD CAD, US dollar pairs. US dollar yen is pretty stationed out on the 78.6% retracement here. I'm looking for a bounce higher into these levels around here, these market imbalances. 78.6 seems like it'd be a good target, and we're at some pretty big lows right now. So, but in order for that to happen, we'll probably be needing to see some sort of development in terms of the election beyond what the mainstream media is doing to push the markets around. So here we are in dollar CAD. This kind of surprises me that we haven't seen a move higher because of the CAD weakness with other pairs, but this shows you the indecision going on right now with the US dollar. It's pretty significant. if we look at other, just as an example, dollar Swiss, still just camped out in this level of support. Here, I was actually expecting a bit of a move lower, but, you know, it doesn't look like much is going to happen. You know, obviously it's Friday now, so pound dollar, cable's looking really strong right here. Looking really strong to close out the week. At this level of support, I was expecting move lower, which didn't really materialize. Filling out this nice shooting star here. So this will be one if, and not just if, but when we get more risk off, like actually flooding into the markets because of the indecision that's going on right now, which is why I'm surprised that we're not seeing more of that. I think we could see some significant dollar strength, which would coincide with some sort of big news regarding the election, and then following that, some sort of drop in the market. So here we are in NZD USD, cranking higher, similar wedge-like structure we got going on here. And you can see these levels that we're at currently. It made a nice pool of liquidity and a nice zone, which we could potentially be taking out to start the week, next week, before maybe some more risk on starts coming in. So yeah, and let's just take a look and see how that translates to the on the indices side of things. Not as much movement here, right? So something's going on with these risk on currencies. Aussie yen, not that big of a move, but then we go over to Aussie New Zealand, showing some serious NZD strength here. But, you know, I think this is going to be setting up. We're just bouncing along the bottom of this channel here, setting up for a good position on the long side next week when we see NZD, if it ever turns around. But by the looks of it right now, we're going to close the week out where we are here. So hope you found some value from this video. Hope you have an awesome weekend. Be ready, be prepared. Don't believe everything you see on the news anymore. It's pretty unreliable. You have to find and put together the clues of what you really think is going on yourself. So that being said, thanks for watching. If you want to be a part of our groups, click the link below to get started, and I will see you in our chat rooms. Peace.